Let me show you how to get rid of the iPhone calendar virus. It's not actually a virus. There has been this issue that many iPhone users have been facing where you have multiple random notifications from your calendar app about security and your private information being exposed. It's not a virus, but a rogue calendar account that got added when you clicked on some pop-up on some website. Removing it is very simple. If you're using iOS 14, go to your settings, then calendar. Under your accounts, look for any account that doesn't belong to you and remove it. And if you're using an older version of iOS, it's the same process, except under settings, you go to password and accounts and remove the unwanted accounts from there. I hope this was useful. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and if you want to see more, subscribe.